Okay, so we said reflex angle BOD will be double of angle BAD. So if we see in the figure, the angle at the center, angle at the O is what? 2x plus 2y. Angle BOD plus reflex angle BOD is equal to 360 degree. The sum of the angles around a point, sum of angles around a point is always 360 degree. Sum of angles around a point is always 360 degree. So BOD was actually 2x. BOD was 2x. BOD was 2x plus 2y is equal to how much? 360 degree. 2x plus 2y was equal to 360 degree. So 2 into x plus y will be 360 degree, or x plus y will be equal to 180 degree. And what was x and y? If you notice, x was angle BAD and y was BCD. So angle BAD plus angle BCD will be equal to 180 degree. That is, the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are always supplementary. The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are always supplementary. The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are always supplementary. These are always supplementary. So angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Now in the same way, we could have joined A to O and O to C, A to O and O to C, and we would have proved B plus D to be 180 degree. B plus D to be 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove can prove that angle B plus angle D will be 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D will be 180 degree. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are always supplementary. Once we can go through it again quickly. The statement was the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. We made a circle in which we made ABCD as a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means the vertices of the quadrilateral are lying on the circumference of the circle. A, B, C and D are lying on the circumference of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Now he has said we are required to prove that angle BAD plus BCD is 180 degree. So construction we did was to join B to O and O to D, and then we said angle BOD will be double of angle BAD. The reason is the angle BOD is subtended by the arc BCD at center will be double of the angle BAD subtended by the same arc on the remaining part of the circumference. This is the statement of the double angle theorem. Similarly, we applied the double angle theorem to the major arc. This was applied to the minor arc. The same will apply to the major arc, and we got from there that reflex angle BOD. Reflex angle means angle which is greater than 180 degree. Any angle which is greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree will be reflex angle. So angle which is reflex angle BOD will be double of angle BAD. Then we said BOD plus reflex angle BOD will be equal to 360 degree. We said 2x in terms of x and y to simplify it, instead of writing every time BOD and reflex angle BOD or BAD or BCD, we generally denote in terms of x and y. So we said 2x plus 2y is 360 degree. So we took 2 common, x plus y is 360 degree. So x plus y will be 180 degree. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 will cancel from here. X plus y will become 180 degree. And if you see in the figure, x and x plus y mean sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Similarly, we can prove angle B and angle D. The sum of angle B and angle D will be also equal to 180 degree. Thank you. This is it. We'll be doing problems based on these now.